I bet you didn't know the global tech industry witnessed a seismic shift on January 27, 2025, a date forever etched in the annals of technological history. DeepSeek, a relatively unknown Chinese AI startup, unleashed its groundbreaking AI model upon the world. The response was immediate and dramatic. NVIDIA, the US chip-making giant, experienced an unprecedented single-day loss of nearly $600 billion in market capitalization. This staggering figure sent shockwaves through Wall Street and beyond. Other US chipmakers saw their stock prices plummet in a domino effect. The message was clear: a new player had entered the arena. DeepSeek, with its revolutionary AI technology, had challenged the established order. The world watched with bated breath, wondering if this was the beginning of a new era in artificial intelligence. This event marked a turning point, highlighting the growing prowess of Chinese tech companies. It signaled a potential power shift in the global AI landscape, one that demanded attention and introspection. DeepSeek, founded in 2023 by the enigmatic Liang W. Fang, emerged from the heart of China's burgeoning tech scene. This startup, with its lean team and ambitious vision, had flown under the radar until this point. Their mission to democratize access to powerful AI. Liang W. Fang, a 40-year-old prodigy with a background in electrical engineering and computer vision, remained an enigma. Unlike the flamboyant CEOs of Silicon Valley, Fang preferred to let his work speak for itself. His leadership, characterized by quiet determination, had steered DeepSeek through its nascent years. DeepSeek's rise was nothing short of meteoric. The startup's AI model, designed to rival the likes of ChatGPT, promised unparalleled performance at a fraction of the cost. This combination of power and affordability set the stage for disruption on a global scale. The tech world buzzed with anticipation and speculation. Who was this mysterious Chinese startup that dared to challenge the status quo? Only time would tell the full extent of DeepSeek's impact. In November 2024, DeepSeek unveiled its masterpiece, the R1 model. This AI marvel sent ripples of excitement through the tech community, demonstrating capabilities previously thought impossible. The R1 model was not just another incremental improvement. It was a paradigm shift. Its performance on the chatbot arena, a prestigious benchmark maintained by UC Berkeley, put all other models to shame. The R1 consistently ranked among the top performers, showcasing its ability to understand and respond to complex queries with remarkable accuracy. What truly set the R1 model apart was its unique ability to articulate its reasoning before delivering a response. This transparency, unheard of in previous AI models, provided invaluable insights into the AI's decision-making process. Furthermore, the R1 model displayed an uncanny aptitude for advanced mathematics and coding, surpassing human experts in certain domains. DeepSeek's commitment to open-source principles further fueled its rapid adoption. By making the R1 model accessible to developers worldwide, DeepSeek fostered a vibrant community of innovators building upon its foundation. The R1 model wasn't just a technological marvel, it was a catalyst for global collaboration in the field of AI. One of the most disruptive aspects of DeepSeek's technology was its cost-effectiveness. The R1 model required significantly less computational power to train and operate compared to its competitors. This breakthrough challenged the prevailing notion that high-performance AI demanded vast data centers and expensive GPUs. The implications of this efficiency were far-reaching. Suddenly, the barrier to entry in the AI field was lowered, empowering smaller companies and research institutions to compete with tech giants. This shift had the potential to democratize AI development, leading to a more diverse and innovative landscape. The impact on the existing AI supply chain was undeniable. Companies like NVIDIA, which had built their empires on providing high-priced GPUs for AI development, faced an uncertain future. Similarly, energy companies that supplied power to massive data centers had to adapt to a world where AI could run on a fraction of the energy. DeepSeek's innovation had exposed a fundamental truth. The future of AI was not about brute force computation, but about elegant algorithms and efficient utilization of resources. Section 5. Navigating the storm: innovation amidst restrictions. DeepSeek's achievements were all the more remarkable considering the geopolitical backdrop. In recent years, the US government had imposed strict restrictions on exporting advanced chips to China, aiming to curb the country's technological advancement. These restrictions posed a significant challenge to Chinese tech companies, limiting their access to crucial hardware. However, DeepSeek navigated these choppy waters with remarkable resilience. While the exact details remained shrouded in speculation, experts believed that DeepSeek had either stockpiled a significant inventory of GPUs before the restrictions took full effect, or had developed innovative workarounds to circumvent them. This ability to innovate under pressure spoke volumes about DeepSeek's ingenuity and determination. It demonstrated that China's tech sector was not easily deterred and would find ways to overcome obstacles placed in its path. The R1 model stood as a testament to the unwavering spirit of Chinese innovation. Section 6. Echoes of Huawei, a legacy of resilience. DeepSeek's story drew parallels to another Chinese tech giant that had faced similar challenges, Huawei. Despite facing crippling US sanctions, Huawei had emerged as a global leader in telecommunications equipment and smartphones. The company's ability to weather the storm and continue innovating had earned it admiration and respect worldwide. Like Huawei, DeepSeek demonstrated that Chinese tech companies were not content with being mere imitators. They were capable of developing groundbreaking technologies that rivaled and even surpassed those of their Western counterparts. This newfound confidence sent a clear message. The era of Western dominance in the tech industry was coming to an end. DeepSeek's success, built on a foundation of resilience and ingenuity, served as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and engineers across China. It proved that with determination and innovation, anything was possible. Section 7. A wake-up call for the West, the rise of Chinese AI. DeepSeek's meteoric rise served as a wake-up call for the West, particularly for the United States, which had long considered itself the epicenter of technological innovation. The R1 model's success shattered the illusion of American technological supremacy, forcing experts to reassess their assumptions about the global balance of power in the AI field. The complacency that had settled in among some Western tech companies was shaken to its core. DeepSeek's arrival on the scene highlighted the importance of fostering competition and innovation. It underscored the need for continuous investment in research and development to maintain a competitive edge. Governments and policymakers were forced to confront the reality of China's technological rise. The narrative of China as a mere imitator of Western technology was no longer tenable. China had become a formidable competitor, capable of developing cutting-edge technologies that challenged the established order. Section 8. The future of AI: collaboration or competition. DeepSeek's emergence raised important questions about the future of AI. Would this new era be characterized by collaboration or competition? Would nations and companies work together to harness the transformative power of AI for the benefit of humanity? Or would they engage in a zero-sum game of technological one-upmanship? Some experts argued that the rise of Chinese AI presented an opportunity for collaboration. By sharing knowledge and resources, the global community could accelerate the development of AI and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Others, however, remained skeptical, viewing the competition between China and the West as an inevitable clash of ideologies and economic interests. The path forward remained uncertain. However, one thing was clear: the future of AI would be shaped by the choices made today. It was imperative for leaders in government, industry, and academia to engage in thoughtful dialogue and collaboration to ensure that AI's immense potential was harnessed responsibly and ethically. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the transformative power of AI. DeepSeek's journey, from an unknown startup to a global tech disruptor, served as a powerful reminder of the transformative power of technology. The R1 model's emergence forced the world to confront the reality of China's technological prowess and the shifting balance of power in the AI landscape. The future of AI remained unwritten, filled with both promise and peril. It was up to humanity to decide how this powerful technology would be used. Would it be a force for good, driving progress and solving global challenges? Or would it be misused, exacerbating existing inequalities and leading to unforeseen consequences? The choices made today would determine the course of history. It was imperative to proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep sense of responsibility to ensure that AI's transformative potential was harnessed for the benefit of all.